Tasha here, and welcome to my channel. That literally sounds super duper crazy, but we're just gonna roll with it and see how we like it. So, at my channel here, we're gonna talk about all things girl, okay? All things getting your life together, and most importantly, mental health, because that is literally my jam, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys something very near and dear to me, which is my vanity mirror. So look, I don't know how to do hair and makeup. If you ask my good friend Paige, she can tell you she's a makeup artist. Tasha is not good at makeup. So I honestly don't even know why I have this big vanity mirror in here, but I wanted it. I saw it on Pinterest. It's what I wanted to do while I was in quarantine, and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So we can all be looking in the mirror and looking cute. So I got everything from Amazon and Lowe's. Like literally we all know that Amazon is our good sis, okay? Got everything and I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, so here's a list of everything that you need. Take a screenshot, girl. Now that you know everything that you need, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing I did was spray paint the silver vanity lights black. I didn't want silver, obviously, because my mirror was black, and I just wanted everything to match and be cohesive. And see, isn't she cute? I like it like that. Now we're at the wiring part. So all you do is take your extension cord and cut the base of it off, just like this. Then you're going to untangle everything, obviously. Then you cut the extension cord in half. There's two halves, you'll see, and you just split them apart slightly. Don't mind my hair. I know I look ratchet. Focus, guys. Let's focus. Once you have them pulled apart, you're going to take your handy dandy scissors and cut a little bit of the shield off, exposing the wires on each side. You want to do this so it can bind with the actual vanity light that you have. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so here's the foreign language part, okay, y'all? I know, don't look at these nails, okay? Work with me. So there's going to be a hot and cold wire. One side has ridges, the other side is smooth. The ridges is going to connect to the white cable in your vanity, and then the one that's smooth is going to connect to the black. As you can see, white and black wires. Focus, y'all. It's okay. I get it. Crazy. You see it? Okay, so now pull out your vanity light and just expose those little wires. Now remember, black, smooth, rigid, white, okay? So now we're going to focus on combining them to this extension cord. Take your extension cord and make sure you're combining the right side, and all you're going to do is twist the wires together. That's it, just a little twist, girl. And it should look like this. Just twist it together, nothing crazy. Now you're going to take your wire covers and they look really simply twisted on top of the twisted part. So you're just wanting to cover those exposed wires so you won't have, I don't know, an electrical fire. I don't know, that's what you're supposed to do. Cover the wires, okay? Obviously on both sides. You just want to make sure that everything is safe, everything is okay, and nothing is exposed. Side note, do y'all see my baby hair? I'm just saying, like, it's in the corner, top left, you know, I'm just saying. The baby hair is there, okay? It's giving me life. I don't know if it's giving you life, but it's giving me life. Okay, now we're just going to make sure our little experiment works. So we're just going to take a light bulb, plug it in, and then plug the extension cord into the wall. And let's see. Look, she's on, she's bright, she's here, she's arrived, okay? Again, I got everything from Amazon. You know, Amazon is our friend, and I got Bae to come and help me hang this because your girl can't quite figure it out, okay? It's not for me. Just let me know what you want me to hold. That's what we're doing here. So all he's doing is measuring the holes on the back of the mirror and lining it up on the wall, okay? He's better at it than me. There's a lot of pencil marks on the wall. Nonetheless, let me know what you want me to hold, okay? Get you a friend to come and help you put the mirror on the wall. That's all I can advise. And just make sure that it's leveled. All I'm doing here is just putting the level at the top. Again, just holding stuff and making sure that it lines up exactly where I wanted it on my wall. That's it. Nothing too hard, but you know, the perfectionist in me had to just make sure that it was level. And technically, it's probably not, but we're just gonna go with it. And if you're wondering why I have my Moesha's in, aka braids, in this clip and then in the previous clip I don't, it's because it took me forever to hang this mirror up. You know, quarantine, a girl was eating Doritos, okay? That's my excuse. That's what it is. Now I'm pretty sure there are way better, easier ways to hang this mirror, but pretty much all I did was to make sure that it was level. I just took a pencil and just drew across on the line, on the wall rather, and made sure that it was all even. So that way we had somewhere to look at and to make sure everything was leveled out appropriately. I know there's probably easier ways to do this, but this is the way that me and Bae decided to do it this day, okay? Work with us. So now all we're doing is marking on the wall based on that line that I put at the top exactly where we want our nails to go on each side. So just making sure that it's even with the line and we're good to go. And again, here I am looking in the mirror and looking in the camera, not helping at all in any capacity. So here all he's doing is putting the anchors in the wall. You're probably going to need a drill bit to just make sure that it just is easier to put the anchor in the wall. Do not, I repeat, do not just put this heavy mirror on the wall with just a screw. Get you an anchor, girl. It's helpful. Okay, so I decided to be helpful and help drill the nail into the wall. So pretty much once the nail is in place, you're just going to hang the mirror where the nail is in the groove in the back of the mirror to make sure that everything's even and leveled. Now you just simply hang the mirror up on the wall. Make sure that it's leveled with your desk and that everything looks exactly how you want it. Now it's time for you to hang your vanity light. All I did was line up the top of the vanity light with the top of the mirror and then drew a little hole of where the nail needed to go. Once I had my light where I wanted it, you just simply drill a nail in it. You don't necessarily need an anchor. No one wants all these holes in their wall. The light's going to hold itself up. So you just drill it right next to your mirror and you should be good to go. Now just take your spray painted cover and put it on top of the base of the vanity light. It should slide right on. Now that your plate is in place, all you do is put those little covers back on so everything is now attached. It all holds together so nothing falls apart. Finally, you just screw in your light bulbs. You would do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm not going to make this video super duper long. So I'll speed to the end so you can see. And there you have it. So if you guys like DIY projects and you like stuff like that, make sure you comment down below and I will see you guys next week. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Love you guys. See you soon.